Hey everyone, Gil here. Got Unbagging for you. I just arrived about 30 minutes ago. I was trying to get through some work to replace this up here, the light fixture up here. But grandkids, one come over, another one coming over, and it's kind of hard for me to record while I'm doing that for you. So, but the last one just went home, and I got a few minutes, so we're going to do an unbagging. This is something I talked about it on one of the live streams. So let's see. Is the tear to open? Where is it? They don't have the zipper thing marked for tearing it. So we'll just see what happens here. Oh, good. The glue's not that good. So, all right. Okay, so paper bag with a box in it. Oh well, it should be fine. We'll take a look. I don't see any damage to the box other than just being squished a little bit. So we'll open it up here. And so this is for doing the hamburger in the cast iron and the stainless steel pans, and to replace this one here, which is bothering me because I can tell that it's beginning to flake. So yeah, it's like, don't want to use that anymore. So I got this off of Amazon, and I'll try to remember when I post it to put the link to this. And so this should work a lot better in the cast iron pans for chopping up the hamburger meat without putting the residue of the plastics with the fire retardant chemicals in it. So, all right, so something new, and I should be using this on Sunday when I do 10 pounds of hamburger to make taco meat for canning, freezing, and just putting in some of the Pyrex containers in the fridge for the grandsons to eat. So, all right, catch you around, and this will be uploaded later on because I got a live stream in 20 minutes on Camp Patton Family Compound with Tammy McNeil's coming over, and we're going to be talking about the home grocery store. So if you don't catch it, go back and watch it. It's going to be a really interesting one. Take care.